boastful speeches are the first sign of weakness, and those who are capable of great things keep their mouths shut. We are more often frightened than hurt, and we suffer more from imagination than from reality. We all love ourselves more than other people, but care more about their opinion than our own.
If it's endurable, then endure it. Stop complaining.
Anger, if not restrained, is frequently more hurtful to us than the injury that provokes it. It is not by muscle, speed, or physical dexterity that great things are achieved, but by reflection, force of character and judgment. Stop allowing your mind to be a slave, to be jerked about by selfish impulses, to kick against fate in the present, and to mistrust the future. Our plans miscarry because they have no aim. When a man does not know what harbor he is making for, no wind is the favorable wind. Life is very short and anxious for those who forget the past, neglect the present, and fear the future. Life, if well lived, is long enough. It is not death that a man should fear, but he should fear never beginning to live. There is never any need to get worked up or to trouble your soul about things you can't control. These things are not asking to be judged by you. Leave them alone. True happiness is to enjoy the present, without anxious dependence upon the future. The mind that is anxious about the future is miserable. When you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to think, to enjoy, to love. Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body. If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it, and this you have the power to revoke at any moment. Think of yourself as dead. You have lived your life. Now take what's left and live it properly. If you like being alone, it's a sign that you have inner strength and independent thinking. A man who likes being alone has more ability to appreciate moments of solitude, to enjoy the simplicity of life.